Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about smoking in our campus. Smoking is harmful not just to smokers, but also to those nearby because of secondhand smoke. Our campus should promote health and well-being. Allowing smoking sends a mixed message about this. By making our campus smoke-free, we can create a healthier and safer environment for everyone. Okay, the next one is understanding question words. Our agenda is introduction, definition, example, other common question words, and conclusion. What are question words? Question words, also known as interrogative words or WH words, are words used to ask questions. They are typically placed at beginning of a sentence and require an answer to provide information. English has a varied, varied, variety of question words that serve different purpose, from asking about a person identity to asking about time and location. What is purpose of question words? Question words are useful if you want to be able to specify a context for your sentence. It also gives the recipient of the sentence an indication as to how they should respond to you. 5W plus 1H. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Definition of who question. Who is a question word used to ask about people. It helps identify a person or group involved in an action or situation. When using who, we are typically asking for the name, identity, or role of someone. Example of who question. Who goes there? Who wrote that song? Who can help me with this problem? Who is coming to the party? Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest? Definition of what question? What is a question word used to inquire about things, objects, or activities? It seeks information about identity, nature, or purpose of something, or details about action and events. Example of what question. What is your favorite food? What are you doing? What time is it? What is your favorite hobby? And what kind of books do you like? Definition of when question. When is a question word used to ask about time. It helps us find out the specific moment, day, date, or period that something is happening, or will happen. Example of when question. When is your birthday? When will you finish your work? When did you start learning English? When are your exams? And when is the deadline for this homework? Definition of where question. Where is a word that we use to point to a specific place or situation. We often use where to talk about place when we ask an indirect question. The same way we use what to talk about object and who to talk about people. Example of where question. Where are you from? Where is the nearest hospital? Where did you put the book? Where did you buy that jacket? Where are you going after class? Definition of why question. Why is a question word used to ask about reasons or causes. It helps us understand the motivation, purpose, or explanation behind an action, event, or situation. Example of why question. Why is the sky blue? Why are you studying so late? Why do you enjoy reading? Why did you decide to move? And why are you learning a new language? Definition of how question. How is a question word used to ask about methods, condition, or quantities. It helps us understand why something is done, the state or condition of something, or the extent or amount. Example of how question. Question. How do you make your favorite dish? How can I improve my writing skills? How do you solve this problem? How do you stay motivated? And how is the weather today? Other common question word. Which? Definition. Which is a question word used to inquire about choice between specific option or alternatives. It helps narrow down the selection and allows the speaker to seek clarification on a particular item from a defined set. The example, which shirt should I wear, the blue one or the green one? Which class are you taking next semester? Which book series do you enjoy more, Harry Potter or The Lord of the Rings? Other common question word, whose. Definition. Whose is a question word that is the possessive form of the pronoun who. It is used to ask about ownership or possession, such as who owns something or has something. Example, whose idea was this? Whose jacket is this? Whose phone is whose phone is ringing? Whose shoes are by the door? Whose bike did you borrow? Conclusion. In conclusion, question words are essential tools in communication, enabling us to gather information, clarify understanding, and foster. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye bye.